How to draw fillet with dimension in nanoCAD. To create fillet with dimension in nanoCAD, go to the Fillet tool under Draw tab or enter the command MFILLET. We have selected Insert Arc as fillet under Parameters, and Full under Scissoring. Entered the value 10 at Radius text box. Under Dimensions we selected Measure Fillet, and Extra Measurement, and clicked OK. Selected the first line as first object and then selected the second line as second object. A fillet is generated with dimensions and measurement lines for dimension in red colors. In the second case, let us remove the extra measurement option. We follow the same procedure by selecting the first and the second lines. The fillet is generated without any measurement lines, but the dimension remains. In the last case, let us remove both the measure fillet and the extra measurement options. The fillet is generated without any dimension. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.